Cassie here with the Ohio Pork Council, and we are at the Ohio State Spring Game Fan Fest. One game day food that's always a favorite are barbecued meatballs. But did you know you can make homemade meatballs in the air fryer? Yes! First up, let's toss onions and peppers in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then roast them in your air fryer for 5 minutes. Once they're softened, add the onions and peppers to your ground pork, along with your favorite barbecue seasoning. I like Historic Barbecue. It's an Ohio original. Then add cheese. I'm using Gruyere for these meatballs. Now make your meatballs and into the air fryer they go. Cook at 400 for 10 minutes, turning halfway through. Then into the crock pot with your favorite barbecue sauce. Keep the meatballs on low in your crock pot. They'll be good for the whole game. And you can find more easy recipes with ground pork at ohpork.org.